nadardim tananam tadaratani nadardim nadardim driditillana 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 nadardim.
I'm Keena and I've been learning in Muva Nritya Raga Nigamam since the past 9 years. My journey in Muva had so far been wonderful, and each day I feel a greater desire to dance. Every aspect of Muva is wonderful, from the friendly faculty to the keen practices. Here in Muva, we don't only focus on dancing, we focus on good dancing, and that's what kept me going all through these years. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Harshita. I am parent of Harshita. మా అమ్మాయి లాస్ట్ 5 years నుంచి నేర్చుకుంటుందండి. టు బీ ఫ్రాంక్గా చెప్పాలంటే వెన్ షీ ఈజ్ మంత్స్ బేబీ షీ ఈజ్ వాచింగ్ మూవా యాక్చువల్లీ. నాకు మేడం బిందు మేడం గారు తెలుసు, వాళ్ళ మదర్ తెలుసు, వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ అందరూ తెలుసు. అండ్ ఇట్స్ బీన్ ఎ గ్రేట్ టు బీ ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ మూవా. అండ్ టు బీ ఫ్రాంక్గా చెప్పాలంటే మంచి గురువు దొరకడం కూడా చాలా చాలా అదృష్టం. మా అమ్మాయి మూవా అకాడమీలో నాట్యం నేర్చుకున్నందుకు చాలా చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఉజ్వల, మేఘన, ప్రణతి అండ్ ఆల్ ద టీచర్స్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ ద కోఆపరేషన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello, my name is Abhigna. I've been in Muva for the past 5 months and it has been wonderful. Himabindu ma'am tells all types of stories in teaching us about dance, music and how it all started. It's my best inspiration in dance. I'm really into it. I wish I could continue in it forever. Thank you.
మేము కొంబైలో ఉంటాము. అక్కడ నుంచి ఇంత దూరం చాలా లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. మేము వచ్చిన మూవా గురించి అండి 5 days ఐ వర్క్ వెరీ హార్డ్ అండ్ ఐ జస్ట్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ దిస్ 2 days అండి. సాటర్డేస్ అండి మా వీకెండ్ బ్యాచ్. సో 2 days నాకు ఐ ఫీల్ ఇస్ రీఛార్జ్ ఫర్ మీ. దీనికంటే ఎక్కువ నేను హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతాను. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ టు మేడం అండ్ ఆల్ ద ఫ్యాకల్టీ అండి. వీఆర్ లక్కీ టు హ్యావ్ మూవా అండ్ ఐ లవ్ మూవా అండ్ ఐ లవ్ యూ మేడం.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఐఎమ్ కీర్తన and I've been learning in Muva Nritya Raga Nigamam for almost a year now. I was at a point in life where I undervalued myself when it came to Kuchipudi. But once I came here, Himabindu ma'am has given me a lot of motivation and I've learned and grown every single day since then. Meghanaka, Ujwalaka and Pranitiyaka have helped me a lot to know more about myself. Ever since then, I've been introspecting and I've learned so much and I've learned so many values in Kuchipudi. I'm very grateful to this institute and I will be forever. Thank you so much.
I'm Rehanshi. I've been learning in Muva since the last 1 year. Muva taught me many valuable qualities like dedication and concentration. Here at Muva, teachers are very friendly, kind, talented and knowledgeable. They're highly inspiring and truly talented. I love all my teachers, Ujwalaka, Meghnata, Akka and Pranati Akka. And this Muva Academy is really good in teaching and I would like to move forward.
I joined here as a parent of my daughter, but now I am a student myself. Thank you Muva for inspiring and motivating for learning classical dance. Thank you.
Andarki namaskaram. I'm Nilanshi and I've been learning in Muva since the past 2 years. I love learning here. The faculty are really great. It's not only dance we learn about, but focus, concentration and other mythological aspects as well. I would love to continue in Muva for many more years.
Hi everyone, my name is Arita. I am learning in Muva Nritya Raga I learn stories, I learn steps, and I practice and practice. I was learning from in Mova from past 2.5 years. I like my teachers, I like my friends, I like the stories what ma'am said.
We are proud parents of MOVA students, Ayukta and Amukta. Ayukta is learning here from last 2.5 years. She's joined here when she was 4. The care that was given to her when she joined at the age of 4 is something commendable that can't be explained in words. Here, the teachers are very strict, but they're very balanced. They're firm where they have to be firm, and they make the children comfortable also. Because strictness is also important when teaching the dance. So, it is completely balanced, I should say. And it's not just the dance that they learn in the MOVA Academy, it is also about the values and how the dance has to be taken forward to further generations. And also, I myself get involved so much in the Sanatana stories that I sometimes feel, why am I working? Why do I have to go? Why should I miss that class? I enjoy watching Meghna, Ujjwala, everyone practicing for their performances. And also both Meghna, Ujjwala and Pranati has joined recently. They are doing a very good job. They go to each student and explain how their dance poses have to be. And they are doing a commendable job. Thank you.
Simply saying, MOVA is the best.
Hi, Namaste. My name is Srinika. Today I'm learning since one year past. I like this academy very much.
నమస్కారం అందరూ. నా పేరు మహతి. నేను మోవాలో ఏప్రిల్ 2025లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. సుష్మిత అక్క థియరీ తీసుకుంటున్నాడు. తను చాలా బాగా చెప్తుంది విత్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్, మీనింగ్ అండ్ ఆ హస్తాలు ఎక్కడెక్కడ. రియల్లీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ అండ్ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ టు ద ఎంటైర్ మోవా టీమ్ అండ్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు గివ్ ద స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు Bindu ma'am, Meghna akka and Sushmita akka.
Hi, I'm Veda and I've been training in Kuchipudi with MOVA Nritya Raga Nigamam for the past 4 years now. I started during quarantine and the faculty at MOVA has always made sure that we learned the right way. At MOVA, every step, gesture and expression is taught with meaning. Thanks to Bindu ma'am and our instructors, we understand that it's not just about performing, it's about understanding the art and carrying it forward. Thank you.
Andarki Namaskaram. My name is Ragvi and I have been a part of MOVA Nritya Raga Nigamam from the past 6 years. From day 1 till date in MOVA, I have developed immense dedication, determination and discipline in dance and life. The keen guidance of our Guru Dr. Himabindu Kanoj Karu and the constant support of our faculty and peers is what makes MOVA one in the million. MOVA focuses on learning dance wholeheartedly rather than just memorizing dance. I have always been grateful to be a part of MOVA and will always be so.
Namaskar. I am Ratanya and I have been a part of MOVA Nritya Raga Nigamam since 2011. When I joined MOVA, my understanding about dance has become more structured and technical. Sanatana sessions taught me that dance is not only about steps, it's about philosophy and self-awareness. Vyayama brought a balance to my body. What stands out most at MOVA is the joy and happiness at learning. Here, learning is not mechanical, it's about practicing, reflecting, and realizing your mistakes. And I am extremely grateful to my Guru Dr. Himabindu Kanoj Karu and my instructors who taught me that dance is about self-awareness, dedication, discipline and expression. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Praveena Pratipati. I'm a part of online weekend classes of MOVA. I still remember Himabindu madam's encouraging words 2 years back when I asked her, "Can I learn Kuchipudi at this age?" She told me her youngest student is just 60 years old. Ma'am, I have no words to thank you for starting online classes for students like me. Still, I thought, is it really worth learning Kuchipudi online? But today, I'm shocked how Ujjwala ma'am can catch very minor mistakes on a very small screen. She's a great teacher. I appreciate Shushmita ma'am's patience to repeat same topic again and again if we have doubts. Sona and Meghana ma'am, of course, they are the backbone of MUVA. I'm feeling proud to be a part of MUVA. Thank you.